Let's talk about imaginary numbers, but using Lego. Say you have two plates and you want them to be double-sided. That's your square root of -1. So you try sticky tack to stick the plates together. Technically it works, but it's an illegal building technique. It's not stable, it's not reliable, and it's not something you can use if you're only working with real Lego pieces. This is just like trying to take the square root of a negative number. With the normal rules, it simply doesn't work. Instead, Lego gives you a special piece. In this case, this is the modified 1x2 brick with studs on both sides. It solves the problem in a completely legal way. It's sturdy, it fits the system, and it lets you build exactly what you wanted. This piece is your eye. It's not that complicated, right? Now let me show you what this would look like without Lego. If you take the square root of a negative number, the result isn't real. Here's why. Think about multiplication. If you do 4 times 4, you get 16. There's no way to multiply two real numbers and get a negative number. It just can't happen. So if you want the square root of -16, you have to break it apart. We define that I is equal to the square root of -1. So rewrite the square root of -16 as the square root of -1 times 16. You can factor out the -1 and you're left with the square root of -1 times the square root of 16. As we defined earlier, the square root of -1 is I, and the square root of 16 is 4. When you multiply them together, you get 4i. So the square root of -16 is 4i.